Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic little kit for anyone interested in DIY audio projects. What we have here is a pack of 5 TDA2030A audio amplifier board kits. This isn't a pre-built module. It's a do-it-yourself project, which is perfect for hobbyists and those looking to learn a bit about electronics assembly. Each kit provides the components needed to build a mono power amplifier board based around the popular TDA2030A integrated circuit. This particular chip is well regarded in the DIY audio community for its simplicity, robustness, and decent performance for its size and cost. The boards are designed to output around 18 watts of power, which is quite respectable for driving small to medium-sized speakers. Think desktop speakers, small bookshelf systems, or even integrating into custom audio builds like portable players or instrument amplifiers for practice. One of the great things about this kit is its operating voltage range. It can run on DC power from 9 volts all the way up to 24 volts. This flexibility means you can power it with various adapters, batteries, or power supplies you might already have lying around, making it very convenient for experimentation. The fact that it's a mono amplifier means each board handles one audio channel. If you wanted to build a stereo system, you would simply use 2 of these boards, one for the left channel and one for the right. Getting a pack of 5 kits is particularly useful. It allows you to build multiple mono amplifiers for different projects, build a stereo setup with a spare board, or simply have extras on hand for future ideas or if you happen to make a mistake during assembly. It happens. The DIY aspect means you'll receive the bare PCB and all the necessary components like resistors, capacitors, diodes, connectors, and of course, the TDA2030 AIC itself. Assembly requires basic soldering skills, making it an excellent project for beginners looking to practice and build something functional. Putting these kits together is a rewarding process. It gives you a hands-on understanding of how a basic audio amplifier circuit works. Once assembled, the board is compact and easy to integrate into various enclosures or setups. The 18W output is sufficient for many applications where high volume isn't the primary goal, but clear, amplified sound is needed. It's a cost-effective way to add amplification to a project or replace a faulty amplifier board in existing equipment. For anyone starting out in audio electronics or looking for a simple, reliable amplifier module to build themselves, these TDA2030A kits offer a lot of value and potential for various creative projects.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.